Is it the right time to buy or sell the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF? In this video, we will delve into the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 19, 2023, our system has ranked ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.17. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF has exceeded our expectations by delivering a remarkable gain of 43.36% since we first recommended buying it 59 days ago. This translates to an impressive average return of 0.73% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently positioned within a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potentially favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $20.83 is breached, it could indicate a slower rate of ascent and potentially signal a shift in the trend. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential change of 44.8%, with a projected return ranging from 43.25% to 60.31%. Considering the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 23.58% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -15.94% to 34.49%. This translates to a price range of $17.70 to $28.32 after 1 year. Our latest update on ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF reveals that the price has experienced a significant decline of -5.69% on Friday. On the last day, the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF price dropped from $22.33 to $21.06, representing a -5.69% decrease. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. During the trading day, the ETF's price ranged from a low of $20.78 to a high of $22.16, fluctuating by 6.62%. Although the price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, it has still managed to maintain a positive growth of 1.15% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the decrease in trading volume aligns with the decline in the ETF, which is considered a positive indication. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by -43 million shares, with a total of 45 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $954.12 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF reached its highest price at $23.83 and its lowest price at $12. Currently, the price stands at 11.62% or $2.77 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 52.45% or $23.23 below the all-time high, which was recorded on November 10, 2021, with a price of $44.29. The ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is showing some interesting signals. Let's take a closer look. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for the ETF. However, the long-term average gives a buy signal. This means that while there may be some short-term uncertainty, the overall forecast for the stock is positive. It's important to note that the ETF might face resistance at around $22.03 if it continues to gain. On the other hand, if there is a fall, it may find support at approximately $20.88 from the long-term average. If the ETF breaks through the short-term average, it will send a buy signal. Conversely, a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. We should also consider some negative signals that have been issued. A sell signal came from a pivot top point on Monday, January 8, 2024, resulting in a decline of -7.83%. It seems there could be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Lastly, it's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume following price movements helps reduce overall risk. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 2 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. When it comes to support levels, there are 2 key areas to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $18.45. If the ETF breaks this support, it may fall to the next level, which is found at $17.74. Additionally, there is another support level at $17.18. It's important to understand that testing a support level carries some natural risk. If the support is broken, the ETF could experience further downward movement. In this case, breaking the $18.45 support level would trigger a potential decline toward $17.74 and $17.18. As for the risk associated with this ETF, it is considered to be medium due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day alone, it had a price range of $1.38 or 6.62%. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 5.43%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is at $22.33. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF encounters its first support level at $18.45. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $19.79, which represents a decrease of 6.04%. With medium daily movements, this ETF carries a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated by a pivot top detected 4 days ago. Is ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF a good buy? Although ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin shows several positive signals, we believe it is currently best to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. We have downgraded our analysis from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 16th, we anticipate ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF to open at $21.33, representing an increase of $0.272. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with an in-depth analysis of the stock market. Today, we want to share our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. If you find our content valuable, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Wishing you all successful trading and a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.